Welcome back to my channel. It's Natural Nisha, your girl Anisha. Today I am going to be preparing my DIY shea butter. I have here in front of me all the ingredients that I typically use inside of my shea butter mix that I use to twist my hair, or you can use it on your body as a body butter after you shower, but it is primarily made to style my hair. I will be using the main ingredient, the African shea butter. As you can see, it's 100% natural, and these butters are extremely hard. If I use this in my hair as is, I have to work it in very well, otherwise it is hard to get out of the container. My 100% extra virgin olive oil, my raw Capuacu butter, my raw Kokum butter. Once again, as you can see, these are 100% natural, and they are, they're extremely hard. This is the raw Capuacu butter. I will link the benefits of these butters in the description box. This is 100% pure mango butter. This butter comes in a bar. It's in a chunky bar, very firm. So I will also need to scoop that out to prepare it using the amount desired. And this is wild cocoa butter, and these cocoa butters are in the form of a chip. Once again, only using all natural products. For my oils, I'll be adding jojoba oil, almond oil, my castor oil, and olive oil. This is the bowl I will be using. So I will take out the desired amount that I will need, transfer it into this bowl. Then I have a pot of boiling water on the stove, and I will have a separate bowl that I will melt the butters in. And after I've melted the butters, added the oils to it, I will transfer it to a container. I am completely out, so I am due to make my next mix. I hope you enjoy watching, and I am going to be adding the ingredients in the bowl. Once again, the amounts or portions that I will be using, I will be placing that in the description box so you can check it out. So here I have added all my butters into the bowl. I had 4 tablespoons of the shea butter, 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of kokum butter, 1 tablespoon of Capuacu butter, 1 tablespoon of mango butter, and 4 cocoa butter flakes. So I am going to now go to the kitchen where I will melt all these butters. Then I will be adding my oils. Come with me, let's take a journey to melt our butters. So here I have transferred the butters into a bowl. The bowl is on top of the pot where they will melt slowly, and I will be stirring in the oils. After the oils have melted, then I would add my essential oils to it. When I have stirred in all the butters and the essential oils, I will transfer it to a jar where it will, so the butters have completely melted, and now it's time to add my oils. I am going to squeeze, I'm just estimating, squeeze jojoba oil, castor oil, olive oil, and the last oil I'll be adding will be the sweet almond oil. So you do know that this butter is enriched with a lot of oils and a lot of butters that are 100% natural. My container that I'll be transferring my DIY shea butter mix into, I am completely out. So I am currently going to be replenishing my stock. As you can see, my estimation was so on point. I spilled a little bit. My estimation was so on point because it is an exact jar that will run me a few more, about a month or 2 months. So there you have it. This is my DIY shea butter mix. I will come back and show you how it looks once it has hardened, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the process. This is the end product of my shea butter hair and body butter. This was the original 100% natural shea butter. I used half of the container and I mixed it with other butters and oils for my DIY shea butter mix. This is the appearance and the feel of the butter. It is very soft and it melts in your hand when you rub it together. If you have or is experiencing dry skin, or you want something that is super thick that would lock in your moisture in your hair, you can use this butter. As I mentioned, you can apply it to your hair and to your body. I hope you like this video and you would give it a try. Some butters can be purchased online or at an organic store. If you're interested in purchasing, I will link the description and the details. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. The butter is finally finished. Woo! So I am here to show you I have a full container of the butter. I already used some of it earlier today. It is still pretty firm, but I just wanted to show you the end product. And this can be used to moisturize your skin. As you can see, it melts very easily. So even if it's hard, you can use it on your elbow area, your kneecaps, your feet. The temperature is very hot and your skin tends to dry out quite easily. I went from 100% natural African shea butter. I used half of the container. I added oils and butters to the mix, and this is the end product. This is an old container that I applied it to, and it yielded a very full container of my hair and body shea butter. So there are a lot of advantages to using natural butters and oils, because if you have dry skin or you have dry particular areas that you want to keep moisturized and looking not ashy, you know what it likes to see, ashy feet and ashy elbows. So this is very, very good. It helps to moisturize the skin, leaving it soft. They are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that helps to keep your skin looking youthful and beautiful. Tell me what you think and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.